Hello kids, welcome back. Hope you are all doing good. Are you ready to learn something fun today? Children, we know a noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, or a thing. Do you know what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used in place of the noun. For example, I, you, we, they, he, she, it are pronouns. Let us see how pronouns are used. She wears a pink frock. Look at this picture, children. He plays with a ball. I am a girl. The word I is a pronoun. It is used to talk about myself. Look here. This is a cat. We use it is a cat. And this is a book. It is a book. It is a pronoun. Here, we are friends. You are happy. See, children, we and you are pronouns. They replace names. These children are playing. We say they. They is a pronoun. So bye kids. See you next video. Like